So Roaring Kitty could become a billionaire by tomorrow, and also handing him the spot for the fourth largest shareholder of GameStop. And you are probably asking yourself the same question I asked myself. The fourth? What do you mean the fourth? With 17 million shares, who owns more GameStop? You guys aren't going to believe it. Just wanted to share it with you guys. First off, wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update. Overall, on the day, 47% on normal trading hours, and then it gapped up to highs of 67.50 and then pulled back a little bit, closing 31% in the green at an overall price of $61 per share. Also, Roaring Kitty updated us when the trade price was at $41. Again, reminder, we closed at 61 after market hours. So he updated us when, again, the last price was 46 and his overall position size was over $500 million, 586 million. And then he has made a total of 382 million so far. Now, the really crazy thing about this is, again, if he exercises his right for his call options, again, he owns 120,000 call options that expire on June 21st. So instead of exercising them and he just actually buys them, he'll have 100 times that. So that's 12 million shares plus his existing 5 million shares, 17 million shares. I want you to understand that. 17 million shares. Do you guys want to see who the top 3 shareholders of GameStop are? BlackRock, Vanguard, and RC Ventures. Isn't it crazy? This entire thing was to stick it to the hedge funds. This whole movement was like, no, screw hedge funds. And the 3 largest hedge funds are partaking in this. In just the past few weeks, we've gone from $11, $10 per share all the way to highs of $61. They've already made over $1 billion each just based off of this movement. And again, the more that this thing pushes, the more that BlackRock makes, the more that Vanguard makes, the more that RC Ventures makes. And of course, everyone's rooting for Roaring Kitty. And we'll see tomorrow during his live stream if GME stock continues to go according to plan. How high can it go? Can it exceed previous all-time highs of $120 per share? I also do want to remind you that it went through a stock split. I think it was July of 2022. So just something to take into consideration. But overall, it looks like it's a perfect setup. It's going to be a Friday tomorrow. He plans to go live, and that's when everything is supposed to go down. So I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date on everything it is that I learn about GME. I want to remind you, this is just, again, I'm providing you updates. I'm not here for the GME movement. I've never pretended to be. I hope that you do your part to look out for yourself. And if that means lock in profits, then so be it. I wish you guys nothing but the best. And again, the only reason that I ever tried to preach to never be afraid to lock in profits is because I've seen it back in 2021. All the people that bag held and never locked in profits and how devastated they felt once it went back down to $10, $15 per share. So I want to remind you, you're an adult, you can do whatever it is that you think is best for you. I just want to remind you, again, there's never such thing as a perfect exit. I just hope that you do your part in looking out for yourself and making that money and bouncing. I wish you nothing but the best. Hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And again, I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, everything is linked in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.